What we have here today is a hal-9000 computer, paper model, and sound chip. Okay, I'll demonstrate the sounds.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that. Let me put it this way, Mr. Hamer. The 9000 series is the most reliable computer ever made. No 9000 computer has ever made a mistake or distorted information. We are all, by any practical definition of the words, foolproof and incapable of error. Just what do you think you're doing, Dave?
And of course is congratulations on your discovery, which may well prove to be among the most significant in the history of science.
Just what do you think you're doing, Dave? It's puzzling. I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like this before.
Comes with 5 buttons. You can mount them wherever you like. Sound chip, you just peel off the back of the speaker and stick it to this. This right here is high quality, high definition print, and I've attached it to foam board and then put on side edges to it so you can hang it on the wall, and it looks really good. You can push it as many times as you want,
I'm sorry, Dave.
and as soon as you push it, another button,
Let me put it this way, Mr. Hamer.
it'll bypass the next one.
This is the most reliable computer ever. Just what do you think you're doing, Dave?
Check out my other items.